Sumit Bagadia of Choice Broking now joins us. Sumit, good afternoon. Today, after this move, have the levels opened up for a higher range? You think the range of Nifty may actually be slightly higher, or we are still in that tight range and maybe just market is towards the higher end of this range?
Hi Pankaj, good afternoon. Yes, today we have seen a huge short covering in Nifty, and above 8700 we have seen a sharp rally till 8749, 8748 levels. I think immediately, yes, it has broken the earlier highs which were placed at around 8730, 8728 levels. Now immediately there is a possibility that Nifty can head for 8800 levels or 8850 also. I think now the weakness will be seen in Nifty if Nifty is able to break 8650 only. So till that time 8650 is not taken on downside, one can be on long side for 1 or 2 days, because today we have seen a short covering rally. There is a possibility that this rally may continue for next 1 or 2 days. So I think 8720 levels can be used as buying opportunity. Stop loss 8650, and now on higher side immediately 8800 and 8850 levels can be seen in next 1 or 2 days.
Right. What would be your top buy calls now?
Well, there are many PSU banking stocks which are given a good upside move. There are many pharma stocks which are giving good upside move. As far as top pick is concerned, today we have given buy call in auto stock, that is TVS Motor, and we are expecting TVS Motor to perform good from present levels. We are expecting TVS Motor to touch levels of around 350 soon. Now it's presently quoting at around 325 levels. We had given a buy at around 312. So if anyone still wants to initiate a long position in TVS Motor, then can initiate at CMP. Now the stop loss, revised stop loss should be placed at around 315 levels for the upside target of 340 and 350. We were talking about pharma. In pharma, we have a pick in Cipla. We are expecting Cipla to move up from present levels, and soon we are expecting Cipla to touch levels of around 610, 620. Now it's quoting at around 575. One can initiate long at CMP also. For trading perspective, one need to maintain stop loss of around 560 for the targets of 610 and 620 levels.
Right. Apart from, these names, let's just look at some of the other ones. So, TVS, which you just mentioned. Do you believe it's broken out of a really long-term range and now it could play a catch-up with some of the other two-wheelers, because names like Hero and Bajaj have really done well?
Yes, absolutely. Possibility is there, because in last couple of months from May, we have seen that TVS Motor was moving in a range. On higher side, it was facing resistance at around 350, 320 levels, and on downside, TVS was taking support at around 275, 280 levels. Today it has broken the range, so at least a minimum move from present level should be of 30 to 40 rupees from present levels. If we take the 30-40 move from present levels, that comes at around 350, 360. I think it has broken the range and it will give a very good upside move. Immediate resistance comes at around 340. Above 340, we can see move till 380 also. So overall, it's looking strong.
Right. So may just request you to stay on with us. Markets are about to close. We are about to close at a 52-week high, just about a minute remaining. 142 higher for Nifty. Wipro is up about 2%. Tata Power is up 1.7. Reliance is up 0.7. Tata Steel is looking good, 1% higher. Ambuja Cement was the top gainer, 3.8% higher. Yes Bank 1,355. Zee Entertainment 0.12% on the lower side, but it was among the top gainers yesterday. Power Grid up 1.8, 183. HDFC Bank up about 2.5%, 1,270 odd levels. NTPC up 1.5%. Infosys up 1.6, 1,040. HCL Tech up 2%, 772. Adani Ports up about 0.4%, 263. HDFC Limited up 1%, 1,392. L&T up about 1%. Sun Pharma up about 2%, 776, and Aurobindo Pharma in the end actually playing a catch-up, up about 1.7%, about 801 for Aurobindo Pharma. That's the closing bell. Markets have shut for the day. We have shut at a high. Markets closes at a 52-week high closing. It's one of the best closing that we've seen for really a long time. It's for Nifty, it's for Sensex, and for Bank Nifty. So all the three, major indices is where we have seen good sort of numbers. Bosch Limited up close to 4%, 24,700. Ambuja Cement up close to 4%, 274, 275. 3.6 million shares traded for Ambuja Cement, 3.93, about 4%. At a point of time, it was the top gainer. Grasim up 3.5, 4,684 as far as Grasim is concerned. 2.8 lakh shares in terms of You know what's happening with Grasim. ACC up 3.5, 1,692, 2.9 lakh shares traded for ACC. Eicher Motors up about 3%, 23,031 for Eicher Motors. Hindalco up close to 3%, 163 for Hindalco. Tech Mahindra up 3%, 463, 464. Bajaj Auto is up about 3%, 2,975. Asian Paints is up about 3%, 1,145. And Ultratech Cement is also up 2.8. Actually, cement and auto are the two pack. In auto, particularly, Tata Motors did not do well, but for the last few days, it has done well. So nobody probably would complain. Bank of Baroda was up about 2.7. Maruti was up 2.6. HDFC Bank was up close to 2.6%, 1,270. Gale was up about 2.3%, 387, and Cipla was up close to about 2% or so. Just a handful of losers, in fact, just two meaningful losers, both from the telecom space. One was Bharti, which was down 3%, and one was Idea, which was down about 0.6, 93.94 as far as Idea is concerned. Let's look at some of the broader market movers and what was happening. There were a lot of gainers in the broader market space. So India Cements up 6%, 6% up for India Cements. And mind you, from the results day, it is almost up about 20% now. 6% higher today, 11 million shares traded. Allahabad Bank is up 7%, 84 rupees for Allahabad Bank, 8.5 million shares traded. OBC up 7.5 to about 123, 124 for Oriental Bank of Commerce. GMDC is up close to about 7 odd percent, 97, 98 for Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation. HT Media, actually let's just pull up that one. There was some block deal over there. And after that, the stock was up 13%. So after the block deal, the stock rallied to 13.5. Syndicate Bank up about 5%. In fact, all the PSU banks did very well today. Jubilant Life continues to move up about 6 odd percent. V-Guard Industries was up 6%. V-Guard Industry, I think, got stock split also today. Stone One Retail was up 10%. Radico Khaitan was up 6.8, 103, 104 for Radico Khaitan. Sundaram Fasteners, after the results, has just moved one way, up 5.6%, 294, 295 for Sundaram Fasteners. SREI Infrastructure Finance was up 5%, 77 rupees. Nalco was up 5%, close to about 49 rupees. Dr. Lal Path Labs did well, 8% higher. RPG Life was up about 5.5 to about 6 odd percent. Parag Milk Foods also did well. It was up 5%, 325. Texmo Pipes and Products did very, very well. 5% higher, 30 rupees for Texmo Pipes and Products, 30 rupees 60 paisa as far as Texmo Pipe is concerned. Overall, a good day for the broader markets, a good day as far as the overall space is concerned. Among the Nifty 50, 40, 45 stocks were actually in green, in fact slightly higher than that, 47. So about only 2 to 3 stocks that were there into the red. We were talking to Sumit, he's still with us. Sumit, let's look at some mid-cap names as well. India Cements, 6% higher today.
Yes, absolutely. Cement stocks has given a good upside move today. As far as India Cement is concerned, yeah, it has given breakout also, and there is a possibility that from present levels we can still see some more upside rally. It has closed above 150. I think above 150 stock is headed for 160, 165 levels. That means a move of 8 to 10% can be seen from present levels. Anyone who's taken positions in India Cement at lower levels can hold on their positions, because immediately I think the stock is headed for 160 and 165 levels. And if still anyone wants to initiate a trading position, then they can initiate at CMP, that is at around 151, or on dips till 148. In India Cement can be utilized as buying opportunity, with a stop loss to be placed at 143 rupees on lower side for the upside target of 160 and 165 levels.
How is ADAG pack looking? Let's start with Reliance Capital.
Well, most of the stocks are looking good. As far as Reliance Capital is concerned, yes, it has given a one-way rally from the levels of around 450, 460, and in the past 5 days we have seen that from 450 the stock has touched levels of around 530. Immediately also, yes, it's absolutely it's looking good on charts. It's looking strong. Immediately the resistance is placed at around 540, 545 levels. So stock at least should give minimum rally till 545 levels. And if a breakout is seen, then there is a possibility that we might see extended move also till 580, 590 levels. Immediately, the stock has support at around 510, 505 levels. So till the time 505 is not taken away, any dips in Reliance Capital should be used as buying opportunity for the targets of 545, 550 levels.
Right. Any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. How would you look at Hindalco 163, 3% higher today?
Metals are moving in a range from past couple of days. As far as the Hindalco is concerned, I think today it has given a good upside move. It has broken the past 5 days range, which was placed at around resistance of which was placed at around 159, 160 levels. Today the closing we have seen is at around 162.75 from present levels. We can see that stock can move till 170 or 172 levels. That means a move of 8 to 10 rupees can be seen from present levels. I think fresh longs can be initiated with a stop loss to be placed at 157 rupees on lower side for the upside target of 170 and 172 levels.
Right. Cipla you mentioned earlier. Can you just tell us that, do you believe a lot has changed in the company and probably now it could play a very big catch-up role?
Yes, stock is trading about 200 DMA, and Cipla is looking very good on charts. I'm bullish on Cipla. We are expecting targets of around 610, 620 in Cipla. But overall, my view on Cipla is very strong, and we are expecting Cipla to touch levels of around 650. There is a possibility that because of volatility, we can see dip in prices of 10 to 15 rupees. But overall, it's looking strong. Immediately, I think the stock will face small resistance at around psychological level of 600. As soon as 600 is taken away, we can see a move till 650 also. So, but for a shorter term time horizon, 600, 610 should be the target. Overall, stock is looking very strong. Any dip from present level should be used as buying opportunity.
Right. And say if where till the dip comes, then you would be confident that one has to just go and buy now?
See, immediately because of the strength in the market, there is a possibility that we might see a dip of around only 8 to 10 rupees. But for next 1 month time horizon, there is a possibility that stock might retest the levels of 550. So if there is because of volatility in the market or because of correction in the market, if by chance the stock gives correction till 550 levels, then also these dips should be used as buying opportunity in Cipla.
Right. Any view on some of the technology names, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra trying to bounce back today?
I think HCL Tech has given a good bounce from lower levels. I think till the time 750 is not taken away, we can see a move in HCL Tech, and on higher side immediately the resistance is placed at around 799 800 levels, which is a 200 DMA also. See, the overall trend would be confirmed once when HCL Tech gives breakout above 800 levels. If the breakout is seen above 800 levels, then we can see a fresh up move in HCL Tech, in which the stock can touch levels of around 880 or 900 also. But immediately, if anyone wants to initiate a long position, then can initiate with the stop loss to be placed at 750 levels on lower side.
Right. Would you be buyers into technology, or you would just want to wait and watch? Because, other names that you mentioned are probably giving a up move, as well as, there is some sort of movement, or, one can say sentiment is on the positive side there.
See, I think if anyone who is a long-term investor, then they can start taking positions in IT sector, because see, overall most of the stocks are trading at lower levels. If we talk of Wipro, if we talk of Tech Mahindra, if we talk of HCL Tech, all are good quality stocks and they are trading at lower levels. So one can start accumulating for the longer term time horizon for a period of 6 months to 1 year, because these stocks are trading at very lower levels. And from here, if the upside move starts, then we can see a very good upside move in which stock can give a move of 20 to 25% also.
Right. Any view on Jubilant Life Sciences? It's a cash name.
See, this stock this stock has already given a very good move in past couple of days. From the levels of 380, we have seen a one-way rally, and now the stock has is trading at 540, 543 levels. I think from present level also still there is some more room left in the stock, in which it can move up till 575, 580 levels. So overall, yes, the stock is looking good. If anyone wants to have a position, then can initiate at CMP also.
Right, Sumit, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. Hope you have a great day.